basic physics, in that we are seeing vectors. Now we will see what is this law of parallelogram of vectors. Law of parallelogram of vectors, which is used for adding two vectors. So you can write the statement: when two vectors acting at an angle theta, when two vectors acting at an angle theta can be represented by two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, the resultant is given by the diagonal of the parallelogram. Resultant is given by the diagonal of the parallelogram passing through that point. Okay, this is the explanation. Two vectors A and B acting at a point, say O, they are represented by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram OACB. Then the resultant is given by the diagonal OC of the parallelogram passing through that point at which the two vectors are acting. Okay, let this angle be alpha. It can be easily proved that magnitude of the resultant, OC is the resultant. I am not going to give the proof here, but give the result, which will be useful in tackling some problems. Root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Here this is magnitude of the vector A, magnitude of the vector B. Theta is the angle between the two vectors. If you want to give the direction of the resultant, say you take this angle as alpha. Alpha is the angle made by the resultant with the vector A. Then tan alpha would be B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. You can just take them as some formulae and you can solve quite a lot of sums. Now we take a direct example so that we will learn how to apply this. Let's say if the vector A has got a magnitude 5 units and B has got a magnitude 3 unit, and say the angle is 60 degrees. What is the magnitude of the resultant and what angle does it make with one of the vectors, say A? I just chose this example so that you will know how to apply this in a direct way. Magnitude of the vector R is equal to root of A square plus B square. Okay, root of A square 25 plus B square 9, 2AB 2 into 5 into 3 2 into 15 cos 60. This gives magnitude. Cos 60 is half. 25 plus 9, 34 plus 15, root of 49. So 7 units. The magnitude of the resultant, 7 units. Alpha, for that make use of the formula tan alpha is equal to B sin theta 3 sin 60 by A plus 5 plus 3 cos 60. A is 5, B cos theta means 3 cos 60. You simplify this. Tan alpha is 3 root 3 by 13, which is around 0.4. So find what is alpha. So alpha is tan inverse of 0.4 which is 21.8 degrees. Direct application. Okay.